This is Samsung Galaxy A20s, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can enter and use the Camera Pro mode on this device. So to begin, you will obviously need to launch the default camera app. Then, by default, you are put into the photo mode, so scroll the modes list to your left until you'll open the more modes list, and in here simply tap at the Pro option. And while inside the Pro mode, you can manually change such things as value for the white balance option, or ISO value, white balance, and exposure. So that will be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.